Little crop dusting this morning. Check this out. How cool is that? Time for another pass. Oh yeah, right down the driveway. There we go. Next one will be closer. So I have a field at the end of my driveway down there on the other side of the road. So every year they come down and they do crop dusting down here. So this is the first time I've seen it this year, and I know they didn't do it last year, but they did it the year before, so this guy's always impressive. Here he comes. This time should be a little more over the head here, because he walks his way over closer and closer each time. We'll see what we do this time here. I see you through the trees. He's gonna come right through that opening right there. There he is. Yeah. So watching this from before, this will probably be his final approach, and then he'll start going the other direction. Yep, there he is. As I figured, he's done gone. He gone.